I took advantage of a Black Friday sale from Apex Wheels and grabbed a set for my 991 Turbo S. Let's unbox them and see what they look like. Oh my God, those things look sweet. Look at the way the light bounces off of these things. They just look insane. That is going to look so sweet on there. Now let's get this car jacked up and remove the stock wheels. These are torqued to 443 foot-pounds, 450, something like that. That is sick. Wheels are off, time to go get these tires mounted. They barely fit in the back of a Cadillac EXT. All right, wheels and tires are on, mounted and balanced. I just love the look of these things. Let's get this thing pulled outside.